Love you, Scorpio. This is your relationship card for you, Scorpio, and the card shows truth be told. So let's jump in and see what's your relationship message is there. Scorpio, people tell you who they are very quickly if you're willing to listen to what they say and pay attention to how they behave. This card calls you to engage in heartfelt, open conversation. It's time to see the truth about what you share with each other and tell the truth about who you are and what you need. No one can do that for you. Remember that your truth is always based on your personality and experience up to now. A higher truth will be found after your communicate honestly and see how doing so helped you become more attuned to yourself. Don't hold back, speak your truth and listen. Scorpio, and this is your daily relationship message for you, Scorpio. After this, I'll be doing a pick a card reading. Please watch out for the pick a card reading. Love you all. Take care. Bye.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card reading. So, this is the first deck and this is the second deck. Before we start the reading, a very happy new year to you all, guys, and a happy Christmas. I hope this year is filled with happiness, success, and prosperity for each and every one of you guys. So, whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, your relationship, you can think about it, guys, and I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. This is the first pile and this is the second pile, guys. So, whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch that. So, let's start with the first pile here. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So, this is the first card, second card, and third card. So, whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now. It's Death in reverse, 6 of spheres, and 2 of moons in reverse. So, with these cards, guys, it may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this person, about this connection. So, in this relationship, whatever your plans are, your future plans or your dreams, whatever you have for yourself, it is changing suddenly. Maybe the plans are not manifesting in your situation, and you feel that things are not the way they are supposed to be in this connection. You would have had that love, affection with this person. Maybe some arguments or some fights may be the reason, and you are not able to proceed in that positive way in this relationship. With this person, you don't have that confidence in them, and this person also is changing the way they are all of a sudden. And maybe for some of you, you may come to an understanding with this person. You may get that and I also see that this person is there just to have fun with you, and they don't want that meaningful connection with you guys. So you would have thought of them as a trustworthy, loyal person, reliable person, but they are not, they may not be that. So some kind of stress or some kind of conflicts, confusions are there in this connection, and there are sudden changes. Maybe these changes may be something positive, or for some of you it may be something negative, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. Though these cards show something negative, we need not worry, guys. It's just pointing us towards the direction we need to work on. But our life is in our hands, so we need not worry what these cards are telling us today, guys. We have to make things go in a positive way for us, so we need to put in those efforts. So let's start with the second card for those who have chosen this deck. Let us see what are the cards. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will turn these cards now. Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Cups. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you have dreams and aspirations for yourself with this person, and you are faithful to them, honest, trustworthy and loyal, and you have that you are a very trustworthy and devoted person. You are devoted to them, you love them a lot. But this person you are in connection with, they may not share that same view about you, guys. For some of you, they may share it. They may also be that trustworthy, loyal person who has that love and affection towards you. There is a chance for them to be that reciprocating that same energy towards you. But for some of you, they are not so, guys. This person is there maybe just for the way you treat them, that attention you shower on them, that gifts you give them. So maybe still this connection may still be immature, guys. Maybe this is a new person you are in connection with. That may be the reason I see this energy, but they have this love, affection towards you, and they want this life with you, but they are not having that firm conviction on you. So that total trust on you may not be there. It may take time to develop, guys, that trustworthy, honest relationship. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. And that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.